I'm Jim Murray with SellingOCNJ.com, and I can't wait to give you a tour of 345 Asbury Avenue. It's what I think is Ocean City's best buy under $800,000. This unit is featuring 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and it's located in the desirable north end of Ocean City, New Jersey. Freshly painted, new light fixtures, fresh furniture, and it's an absolutely turnkey property, whether you're looking to make it a primary, a second home, or you want to add it to your investment portfolio. So check out this tour and reach out to me directly if you want any more information about this property or if you want to see it for yourself in person. Thanks so much.
Place